Driving over a river. Wow, it's a little old. I'm gonna harvest these and we're gonna eat them. It is gonna be good. Late oyster mushroom, cow dung and decomposing pancakes. We're gonna cook this. Wow, look at this. We are gonna eat it. This is the way. It's called chicken of the woods. Yeah, buddy. Guess what it is? Right by the river. Yeah. All right, guys. As you can see, it's raining. Weather sucks. Got my gear, got my cooking pot, got my beef jerky. Got Captain Buck today. We're gonna head up to the mountains to look for mushrooms. Maybe just a new location that doesn't involve a lot of hiking, because it is dumping, and you know, we're not into just hiking in the pouring rain, so. But it's supposed to quit maybe around noon, which is a little bit late. Let's see how this goes. Driving over a river. Ha ha ha. Well, we're here. It's pouring down rain. It's nasty out. But I just found myself in a little pocket of oyster mushrooms. This whole tree is covered in oysters. And this alderwood has the biggest late oyster mushroom. Massive. Wow. It's a little old. All right, you guys, as you can see, an alderwood tree dying. It's decomposing, inoculated with oyster mushrooms. This is where you find oyster mushrooms. They grow out of these alderwood trees. All right, you guys, check this out. Oyster mushrooms. These are late oyster mushrooms off of this dead alderwood. This is where you find them. I'm gonna harvest these and we're gonna eat them. Look at the size of this late oyster mushroom. Massive. We are gonna cook this and we are gonna eat it, and it is gonna be good. Oyster mushrooms. Again, notice the tree. It's an alderwood. And that's where we find them. This whole log has them. I'm gonna harvest these and add them to the pile. Let's go! These big black funguses that look a cross between cow dung and decomposing pancakes are called the Dyer Polypores. No, they are not good to eat. Well, no golden chanterelles today so far. Still gonna look, but we got mushrooms, oyster mushrooms for day, late oyster mushrooms. My favorite. All right. Wow, look at this late oyster mushroom. Yes, these are good, my favorite. Let's get them all. They're all over the place. Yes. This is the way. Ha! All right, you guys, check this out. You might be able to see, it's like a bright orange mass over here. And now the first thing I think of is giant golden chanterelles. But there's also this fungus. It's a polypore that's called chicken of the woods. And it's supposed to taste like chicken. So here we go. Chicken of the woods. There's a look-alike. There's a look-alike that's brown. That's more brown, which people can confuse with. Which, if you eat it, it's not like the worst thing in the world, but some people have had reactions like gastro problems. But the chicken of the woods is sought after. It's a little bit late in the season for this chicken of the woods. Maybe I'll grab some and try it out. Chicken of the woods. Yeah, buddy. Check this out. You can see it from not a mile away, but you can see it from like, I don't know, 30 feet away. Can you see it? Can you see it? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Yes, you guessed it right. The cauliflower fungus. Now, let's check this out. It is raining. I got my chicken of the woods here. Cauliflower fungus. This looks, I mean, you could probably eat it. It's just not like crispy and firm and ideal. So we're gonna let this pass, and that's a good sign. Love cauliflower. That stuff tastes so nutty, it's unbelievable. Gotta try it out. All right, let's keep going. Cool river. It's like a river underneath the roots and moss. All right, Captain Buck and I are going up in elevation. It's a long way down.
Look down.
Wow, it's coming down. All right, the mushroom hunt continues. Man, it's pouring down rain. We got snow on the ground. It's getting dark. I'm still looking for mushrooms. All right, guys, these are false chanterelles. They're growing, number one, they're growing out of wood, which is a red flag. Yes, the gills look like chanterelles, golden chanterelles, but they're not. They stop on the stipe at a definitive point, if you can see that. It's just gills and then stop. Nothing. Also, the color is a little bit oranger on average. That's how you can tell the difference between false chanterelles and golden chanterelles. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna hike out of here. We have a load of oyster mushrooms. I'll show you right after this. And you know, all in all, pretty cool day. Got some chicken of the woods, boatload of late oyster mushrooms, my favorite, and we saw some cauliflower fungus. You know, no chanterelles and no matsutake, but you know, we're gonna keep looking. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna give up. So let's get out of here. Let's go cook these up. It's gonna be good. Oyster mushrooms right by the river. Yeah. All right, this is the hole. Bunch of late oyster mushrooms, chicken of the woods. Not a bad day. Possibly the biggest late oyster mushroom I've ever found. It's massive. This thing probably weighs over a pound. Chicken of the woods. Olive oil. Brisket, smoked brisket. Oyster mushrooms. Mmm, tastes good. Chicken of the woods. Mmm, that is good.